You zoom in down here. What's your name?
Ryan.
What's your name?
Brendan.
What are you doing on Sully's feet, Ryan and Brendan?
Hang.
Are you dancing?
Can you make Brendan and Ryan dance?
Alright, now Ryan, give Brendan a kiss.
How's that song?
This sounds like not a very dancey song.
Now Brendan, can you give Ryan a kiss? Alright, now I want to see you two wrestle. Wrestle! Wrestle!
So Sully, what are their names again?
Ryan, Brendan.
Which one is Ryan and which one's Brendan?
This one's Ryan. This one's Brendan.